Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a very nice 2002 Bobcat 863G turbocharged skid steer loader. This unit's in very good condition, does have some hours on it. This come off of a tree farm. And the only thing this machine ever did was run a tree spade. It had a set of rear stabilizers on it. It's plumbed here for rear hydraulics from factory, which you don't see a lot of. But the machine's all original, very clean. It's got 4 new tires on it. I'll get you the current hour meter reading here in a second. We'll take you right back here to the engine compartment, take you completely around the machine. Machine on the back door is very nice and straight. Paint's faded out. We just left it original because the machine is original all over. I didn't want to touch anything up or do anything like that. Back door does open nice. Hinges are good. Nothing's tore up or bent. Powered by a 73 horsepower Duetz oil-cooled turbocharged diesel engine. Motor starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, leaks, anything we found. We have fully serviced it. Engine oil filter, engine oil, fuel filter, air filter, hydraulic filter, everything's been changed, ready to go. There was a bad connection here at the fuel solenoid that we had the Bobcat dealer fix the other day, and we'll tell you why. Again, it has the rear mounts here for rear stabilizers for off a tree spade and rear hydraulics. It has 4 brand new tires all the way around. There's no leaks on any of this lift cylinders. Typical on the 863, it has had a stiffener bracket put in here to tilt tower on both sides. The bob attach is super good and tight. Everything works, no issues there at all. We did have this machine just over to the Bobcat dealer. The computer went bad due to a shorted wire, and it was $900, all but $1,000. And I have all the paperwork for that to prove it. And they plugged it into the computer, went all through it, checked everything else out. Everything is good to go. Wheel bearings are tight, chains are good, cab straight. I'm going to show you here what the current hours are inside the cab. We'll show you that it has no error codes. Auxiliary hydraulics running attachments. Seat is good. Bobcat G Series suspension style seat. 53.29 on the hours. Again, it does have some hours on it, but the thing is a good tight machine. Most time what it done is it run the tree spade digging trees. That's what it did. I had its brother, was an S185, same story, super good tight machine. We're going to fire it up, run it around here, and show you everything works. I hope you can see there from the video. This machine starts, runs, works, does everything you ask to do. 1,900 pound lift, 7 to 3 horsepower turbo diesel. Does have some hours on it, but it's a good running working machine. If you don't believe me, come by here and check yourself. Check our feedback on eBay. We're not out to fool anybody. We're everyday normal people here. Work for a living just like the next guy, and I'm not out selling junk on the internet. If I felt the thing had a problem, I'd ship her to an auction. You got any questions? 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. And as always, happy eBay.